of fish from Aqua Huna, and I wanted to do a quick unboxing. I just got them in and thought I'd do a video on them. Just got delivered, so very happy about that. I got them from Aqua Huna. I will leave a link in the description below. Let's open this up. Inside, so I don't hit anything inside. Very well packaged. Very happy about that. Aquahuna.com. I was supposed to receive this box last week, but if anybody knows what happened last week with USPS shipping, they were actually everywhere. There were no shipments out of live animals, which I didn't even know that there was a reason why they needed to, because I didn't think that they could. So, I don't know, but here we go. Looks like there was a heat pack, but totally cold. Let's see how the fish is. I don't need this box anymore. I got these shipped because, unfortunately, I don't drive, and I can't get them delivered. I can't drive, and I'd rather not have to pay too much, so I went to Aqua Huna and go like $12 for shipping. $12 for shipping for live arrival guarantee is pretty good, so I'm waiting for that. So let's see how it works. Very, very murky. I'm probably gonna take them out, put them in some of my own water, and put them in like a specimen container or a Tupperware container, just so that I can see them better. Then these are some, I think they're CPTs, because I'm pretty sure they're not the other thing I got. Let's see how they fit. These are some Panda Aquarium, and they are really nice. So I'm gonna open these up, put them in probably a Tupperware container or any water. Okay, well, I know this is small, but it's only be in here for a few minutes, so I think I'm gonna put them in here. One moment. Oh, it's not a big one. All right, here we go. They're actually kind of small, but I'm not upset. moment, I might just add them to a 10-gallon and put a net so they can't get out, because I don't know what else I'm going to do. Anyways, I wanted to give you this unboxing from Aqua Huna. Bye for now.